Today we will discuss rotation, motion and system of particles. What is rotation motion? We have to know, because generally in the daily life we see the translational motion, linear motion on any horizontal surface. As we walk on the surface on the earth, or anybody will move on the earth horizontally or vertically, we universally watch any translational motion. But there are two types of motion. One is translational motion and second is rotational motion. Generally, translational motion is calculated by dividing distance with time. But in rotational motion, it is not happen. It is another matter, because in this there are totally another concept. What is the concept? We know in this statement, as generally we know about translational motion on horizontal surface. It can be on vertical surface also, as walking on road and surface. It can be on vertical surface also, as walking on road and movement of vehicle on the road. Vehicle जो रोड पर चलता है हम देख रहे हैं कि हॉरिजॉन्टली चल रहा है, but it is not horizontal motion, but it is a combination of horizontal and rotational motion. How? We see now, we feel motion on horizontal surface. Commonly, it is calculated by distance and divided by time. By normal concept कि डिस्टेंस जितना तय किया है एक सर्टेन टाइम में, उसको हम भागा दे देंगे टाइम से, तो हमारा मोशन निकल जाएगा कि हम किस वेलोसिटी से हम चल रहे हैं या जा रहे हैं कहीं, है ना. बट इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल इन द रोटेशनल केस. सो जनरली वी डिवाइड डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम एंड वी गेट लीनियर मोशन और ट्रांसलेशनल मोशन ऑफ द बॉडी. बट व्हेन वी लुक द मूवमेंट ऑफ मोटर कार और एनी व्हीकल ऑन रोड, it is not a case of linear motion, but it is a case of linear and rotational motion. The car or automobile move on road horizontally, but its internal part moves in rotational motion. So the combination of linear and rotational motion allows to move the vehicle on road. कहने का मतलब है कि जो मूवमेंट देखते हैं ऑटोमोबाइल का, चाहे बस हो, ट्रक हो, कार हो, जीप हो, वो सब जो है रोटेशनल मोशन में हम देखते हैं. लेकिन उसके बॉडी का जो पार्ट है वो रोटेशन और लीनियर मोशन का कॉम्बिनेशन है. ऊपर से दिखाई पड़ता है कि वो हॉरिजॉन्टली जा रहा है, लेकिन अंदर से उसका पार्ट पूरा रोटेशनली घूमता है. सो इट इज ए कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ ट्रांसलेशनल एंड रोटेशनल मोशन. सो व्हाट इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ दिस मोशन? इन दिस मोशन द बॉडी विल मूव अराउंड एनी पॉइंट इन सर्कुलर पाथ. कहने का मतलब है कि रोटेशन मोशन का मतलब क्या हुआ कि एक बिंदु के चारों ओर घूमेगा, है ना. जैसे लट्टू घूमता है, जैसे कि किसी परिपथ में अर्थ जो है सन के चारों ओर घूमता है. तो जो मूवमेंट है किसी पॉइंट के आसपास या किसी सर्कुलर पाथ में, यही हमारा रोटेशन मोशन हुआ. तो उसमें दो तरह का आता है, एक रिवोल्यूशन और एक रोटेशन. रोटेशन का मतलब है एक बिंदु के आसपास घूमना, अराउंड है pivoted point or any fixed point, the body will move. But when the body will move around in a circular path, then it is called revolution of the body, as any star moves in the environment, in the climate, in the atmosphere around sun. So it is a difference between rotation and revolution, but both are a part of rotation motion. In one thing the point is fixed, in another thing axis is fixed. मतलब कि जो रोटेशन एक्सिस है वो फिक्स है, किसमें? रिवोल्यूशन में. लेकिन रोटेशन में क्या है कि पॉइंट फिक्स है. So motion of any body on an inclined path is horizontal, so the motion is called horizontal motion. As shown in figure, the block is kept on the inclined surface. The body is freely allowed to move downward, so it moves horizontally. Most inclined body toward the surface. But when we take in a sphere or cylinder on an inclined path, then it is not the motion of horizontal motion, but it is the motion of rotational motion. How? We see that. Because it will move downward on a circular path on inclined surface, how we calculate the rotational motion? It is a matter of concept, depending upon uniform circular motion as we see in the figure. If a sphere is kept on the inclined surface, it moves downward by rotating on the surface towards the horizontal surface. So, we calculate, let the angular or rotational motion be W, the radius of the circular path be R, the linear velocity be V, and the angular displacement with the radius of the circle is theta, and L is the length of the arc from P to P dash. So, by normal concept, linear velocity is equal to L by T, linear length but a time, but angular velocity, the angular motion will be similar with the concept as angular displacement by time. Angular displacement is theta, time is t, so angular motion is theta by t. Now, we see that L is similar to angular displacement as theta. So we considering that then in the P O P dash, tan theta is equal to L by R by taking a small angle tan theta is equal to theta, so theta बराबर L by R और L बराबर R theta. Therefore V बराबर R theta by T and theta by T is omega, so V बराबर R into omega. Therefore we can calculate rotational motion in this way as omega is equal to linear velocity by radius. बराबर V by R. So omega is equal to V by R. Which unit is omega बराबर centimeter per second बटा centimeter is equal to second minus 1. Here we see that in rotational motion there is no role of time. There is only the radius of circular path which decides the value of rotational motion. So the rotational motion is very different from translational motion. W depends upon R, or W is inversely proportional to the radius of the circular path. But linear velocity is L by T, their time is important. In linear velocity, here in rotational motion, radius is important. So this factor in deciding linear motion, therefore it has a greater role in our daily life, like as automobile industry or road construction, by considering the circular path or round path on any long distance. Therefore, in making any four-way, three-way path, we have to consider the round path, because in round path there is three motion, there is three wave. So there can be accident if the round path is not equally from three sides or four sides, because R should be equal from all the sides, left, north, south, east, west. The R will be constant if on the circular path. Then there will be accident less. But if R will be more or less on the circular path, then accident will be generally more on that type of path. Therefore, in automobile industry or in traffic industry, as road construction industry, we have to consider the angular path or the angular motion, because on the round path the angular motion must be slow, so that accidents should be kept up, accidents should be avoided. So rotational motion has a greater role in road construction, in any traffic control, in any automobile industry, or in daily life.